This is the Bailey Discovery D4-2. Now, this is a super lightweight caravan with an MTPLM of just 1,000 kilos, perfect for couples or solo caravanners. Now, that lightweight means it can be towed with a wide variety of cars, such as EVs like Tesla's Model 3 or even Peugeot's 2008. Now, the shipping length, which is the length that includes that A-frame as well, is just 5.6 meters. So it's easy to tow and maneuver, and also it makes it easy to store. But let's take a look inside. I'm stood in the D4-2's super long lounge. Now, it's in daytime mode at the moment, which means you have plenty of lounging area. Now, nighttime, you can either do one of two things. These seats are 6'2" long. Now, with this backrest removed, it makes into a really large single bed. Or if you'd like that colossal double, slat system here, you just pull the slats out and make it up into that double bed. Storage wise, there's plenty of room to keep your things. Under this bed, plenty of storage area, which can be accessed via a locker door outside. And talking of lockers, plenty of locker storage above as well. If you're looking for somewhere to keep your clothes and your coats, there's a wardrobe to the rear, coat hooks to the side, and importantly, there's a shoe rack at the bottom, which you can close. So let's talk about the tech that this caravan comes with. Now, this is fitted with Truma's Combi system, which means it powers the heating inside as well as your hot water. So you have plenty for your kitchen sink as well as your shower in the separate shower room. It's also pre-wired for Wi-Fi, so if you want to add Wi-Fi you can. The same with a motor mover, it's also pre-wired for that as well. And if you'd like to charge your iPad or your phone, there are USB points in the lights above. Talking of lights, they're all LED, which is great for off-grid trips. So the kitchen is in the centre of the caravan, and we'll start off with the kitchen units themselves. We have a 3-burner gas hob with a combined oven and grill. To the left of the oven is a worktop extension, which you have in addition to the area by the sink and also the area opposite. Now, by the sink you have your controls for the Truma Combi as well as your plug sockets for the kettle, and below that you have your cutlery drawer and also additional storage below the cooker. Now, opposite we have the TV aerial, so you have your aerial point, your 12-volt socket and also your 3-pin 230-volt socket, additional worktop space, fridge and freezer below, and to the left of that is where the table lives, which makes it nice and easy to remove. So this is the kitchen pack from Prima Leisure, and you will get your draining board, your chopping board and also your washing up bowl, and they're all available from primaleisure.com. So the washroom is to the rear, and you have a sink, the loo and the all-important shower. Now, above the loo, plenty of storage for toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, that sort of thing. And importantly, there's a curtain divider, which makes sure that when you are using the shower, the loo and your essentials don't get wet. So in conclusion, the Discovery D4-2 may be a compact caravan, but it has lots of room, not just for the occupants inside, but also for storing things. For example, this extra long A-frame can accept a bike rack to carry your bicycles. And don't forget, with a shipping length of just 5.6 meters, it makes it easy to tow, easy to maneuver, and importantly, easy to store.